Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for all your home improvement projects. In today's video, we'll show you step by step how to install artificial grass on stairs. So, let's get started. A set of outdoor stairs. Before we begin, here are the 5 keywords for today's tutorial: artificial grass installation, stairs, outdoor renovation, DIY, and landscaping. Artificial grass and tools. To install artificial grass on stairs, you'll need a few tools and materials. These include artificial grass, a measuring tape, a utility knife, adhesive or turf tape, a trowel, a broom, and a stiff bristle brush. Measuring the stairs. Start by measuring the dimensions of each step. Use a measuring tape to measure the length and width of the step. Make sure to account for any curves or angles. Cutting the artificial grass. Next, roll out the artificial grass on a flat surface and cut it according to the measurements you took. Use a sharp utility knife to make clean cuts. Remember to leave a bit of excess on each side for adjustments. Applying adhesive or turf tape. Apply adhesive or turf tape along the edges and seams of the step. This will secure the artificial grass in place and prevent it from shifting. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions when using adhesive. Laying the artificial grass. Carefully place the cut piece of artificial grass on the step, starting from one end. Press it firmly against the adhesive or turf tape, smoothing out any wrinkles or bubbles as you go. Trimming the excess grass. Once the grass is in place, use a trowel or utility knife to trim any excess material. Make sure the edges are neat and flush with the sides of the step. Brushing the artificial grass. To achieve a natural look, use a broom or stiff bristle brush to brush the artificial grass fibers. This will help them stand upright and create a lush appearance. Completed artificial grass stairs. Repeat these steps for each individual step until you have covered the entire stairway. And there you have it, a beautiful, low-maintenance artificial grass stairway that will enhance the look of your outdoor space. Thank you for watching our video on how to install artificial grass on stairs. We hope you found this tutorial helpful for your own outdoor renovation projects.